Hello everyone, this is Devesh Andani and I was just like you all, one of the CUET aspirants in this session 2022 and 23, and I have actually scored 100 percentile in two of the subjects including English and history, and my overall score was 769.3 out of 800, which was reduced in the normalization process. My raw score was 782, but that's alright. And I would like to share one of the team I found during my CUET journey. That was the CUET Mock team, and I am really thankful to the team that they had such beautiful mocks that they were like precisely calculated, I would say, and very according to the paper which CUET gives. I found them in my midway, and I actually prepared from my political history and economics and English mocks, which are my subjects for CUET. And I gave their mocks. I found where I was lagging and all the mistakes which I was doing, which I should not have done, like actually. And I'm really thankful that I found them, and they helped me a lot throughout my preparations. And also the fact that they applauded me after my CUET performance. They gave me a call. They congratulated me. That was just fantastic. And what I should say, they were amazing. They were totally amazing, and I highly recommend you all to check their mocks once, check their test papers once. They are amazing, and I'm pretty sure they would help you out too. They would help you all, and they are actually they are actually amazing. Thank you, CUET Mock team, and thank you to everyone who congratulated me, and I am so thankful to you all. Thank you very much.